Really excited about this. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Now I finally got it on my hand. Now let's see Oculus. See what this has to offer. This is it. Ooh. Feels so good. Oh, there you go. It. This is the Oculus Quest. So they have an Oculus 1. I didn't buy that one. But this is the 2. So let's see what's inside. There's 2 remote controllers. So this is what the remote looks like. It's round. It fits perfectly in the hand. There's a button here. There's another button here. So it probably goes like this. And there's a joystick in here. There's a joystick. And joystick. And then it has like a menu button here. I don't know if you can see right here. Right here. On the other one, it has an Oculus button. Probably if you want to go back to menu. And then A, B, X, Y. So A, B, X, Y joystick. Left, right, control. L1, R1, L2, R1. A, B, X, Y. And you can also press the joystick. And this has a sensor. I tried it before. So when you go like this, it actually follows it through the VR. Now let's check out the VR. These are actually just manuals. Some Oculus manuals and the charger. So it comes with a charger, charging cable, charging port, manual. Cheering for myself. Also, I want to thank myself for working really hard and not giving up. Thank you, yourself. So this one goes at the back of the VR. So if it's too loose, this is you put it and it'll make it tighter. Anyway, I don't need that. So it shows you how to wear it. You just wear it like this. I'll show you. Then you have to take this off. Ooh, did you guys hear that? I want you guys to hear it. This is a lens protector. Just the design. I don't know what that is. Looks like a sensor. Another sensor. Here is just plain. It's nothing. This is actually nothing. I don't think you can adjust it from here. But anyway, this is the on and off button. Shit. You put this on your head. You hold one of this in your hand, left, right. And then that's it. You just enjoy it. Ooh! Ooh, what the fuck? Oh, my bad. I gotta blur that out. You got a really sleek design. I can tell. It looks nice, right? So That's the Oculus Quest, guys. Here's a remote. I hope you like it. I have more videos to unbox, some school stuff, up-to-date stuff, some futuristic stuff. So follow me and subscribe and leave a comment down below. I love to read your comments. And see you later, mga karomanticos.